bottom. Interestingly, it's dark at the top and so it gets a bit lighter as you go down. I don't know if that's just it clearing actually. What we're seeing at the top is a slightly clearer beer. This smash is quite exciting. It's looking nice already. And what I'm going to do is two things. First of all, I didn't take a hydrometer reading when I racked it, which is fine. I'm just going to take a sample now and get that. And then I'm going to put it in the fridge for a few days, 24 to 48 hours in fact, to do what's called cold crashing. Now, cold crashing is mostly there to help with clearing. And you can sort of see there's going to be an opportunity for me to rack it off because we've already got some lees at the bottom, so that will certainly help with that process. Cold crashing also has a number of other purposes. One is going to be to bring the temperature right down, because what I'm going to do is I am actually going to transfer this into my brand new 4-litre keg. This is about 3.8 litres, I would say, in total that we've got here, maybe 4, but roughly enough for a 4-litre keg. And effectively, what we can start to do is carbonate in the keg. So that's going to be something that's new as far as this process is concerned. This has already been a process of several firsts, so it's about time we added another first into the mix and try that out. What cold crashing also does is it kills off the yeast, which means it's going to rule out the opportunity for bottle carbonation. But that's okay, because actually part of kegging is, the whole point of this is to try and do some carbonation in the keg. And we've got a beer tap as well to test out and see how that goes. So it's all very exciting, but the first step is just take a sample and then stick it in the fridge. Now I must add, while I'm here, taking the sample out, the aroma is absolutely amazing. I am so looking forward to this beer. I unfortunately kicked that up quite a bit while I was moving into the fridge, so I need to be more careful when I get it back out. But this is its new home for the next couple of days, and then we'll move on to the brand new stage. Smash kegging today. I am genuinely surprised by the amount of sediment at the bottom of this. Just the impact that cold crashing has had. So impressed and ready for the next stage. This is sanitizer, not beer, so we're safe at the moment. Nice. Okay, start adding some CO2. Or not. Try again. Now, I have to purge the air that's at the top. I expected that to go back up. Right, that's about 6 psi. This time it is going up again. So, now we've theoretically purged that, I'm going to bring it up to 25-ish. blowing bubbles is the leak. The unexpected turn of events. It wasn't the connection I thought was the problem. It was actually the one that came at source. Right, I've put the post back on. I've tightened this back on, hopefully. No, I can hear leaky again. I can't see where it's coming from though. Does seem to be that post that's causing me the issue, doesn't it? I don't really know what this screw does. Try again. More bubbles. Okay, we'll see if this helps. Feels like we've been here before. Right, we're at 20 psi, possibly even leak free. Okay, 25 psi, that's where we want it to be. Right, let me just tidy up all of this mess. Yes, the surgery did not go well. Like all my DIY attempts, I had a piece left over. To help with carbonation, this is already very cold where it's been in the fridge, but we're going to try, without disrupting anything else, to help it along a little bit by spending 5 minutes just giving it a rock like that to try and add some carbonation into the sort of beer. So hopefully within a couple of days we'll have some nice beer to try. Okay, we've had 5 minutes of shaking, during which time the gas bulb ran out. So I think all of those leaks really took its toll. But we do seem to be good now. We do seem to be okay here. So next step is the fridge. Well, it's not exactly elegant, but it's in, and hopefully within a couple of days, if not less, we'll have some carbonated smash. Fuggled Otter, here we come.